Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little different from what I usually post. It's going to be a vlog because I'm going to get a relaxer. So I'm on my way to Jade Multicultural Salon in Richmond, and it's my first time trying their salon now, so I'm a little bit nervous, but hopefully, fingers crossed, everything goes well. But I decided to take you guys with me. So Damien's driving, so I'm not driving and recording. So this is what my hair looks like. I can't remember how many weeks post I am. My last relaxer was in October. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. I was going to do a how I prepare my hair for relaxer video, and I didn't get the chance to do it. But I mean, I have a couple videos that kind of show what I do, but they're just not in one video. So for example, I usually do a protein treatment right before I get a relaxer, but because I've been using the rice water, I feel like my hair is in pretty good shape, so I didn't feel like I needed a hard protein treatment. So I went ahead and I used the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Deep Conditioner, something like that. It's my second time trying it and I really like it. So yeah, I did that, and then I air dried my hair and I stretched my new growth a little bit so that it's easier to apply the relaxer. And I showed how I did that and how I easily manage my new growth in that video. So what I do to prepare for a relaxer, I have posted about it, it's just not in just one video. So yeah, and I did add some castor oil to my ends this morning. My hair feels really soft and hopefully it goes well. So I'll keep you guys updated.
Yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna be alone. 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 'Cause I don't wanna be alone
and trimmed it for me in January.
He's a hair cutter too, huh?
He's really not, but I had no choice. The piercer has done a great job. Okay, so it was a little windy here and the audio wasn't that great, so I decided to do a quick voiceover. We were at Starbucks after my appointment. That's my brother Dustin. He wants to be in one of my videos, but I want to keep it hair related, so drop some video ideas down below if you want to see him in one of my videos. Anyway, I had a great experience. I love how my hair turned out. The ladies were so pleasant, and you can tell that they are well versed on healthy hair care practices. So I do recommend that you check them out if you're in that area. Keep in mind that this is just a vlog, so it won't have a ton of useful information. It's just for you to kind of just follow along and basically watch my experience. If you have specific questions, leave them down in the comment box below and I'll film a separate video answering them in my relaxer update. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.